524 Mike, okay sir, at the Torby Circle south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me. Papa Romeo, runway 1, taxi into position and hold. Hey, heading 178 down to 1603040 Delta 19 forecast. You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point 9. To 1.9 seconds. Frequency change, disregard that. Cessna 081 squawk VF4, altitude your discretion below Bravo, frequency change approved. That's Delta 1990 New York approach, good afternoon. Okay, I need 250. Okay. Heading 178 down to 1603040 Delta 19 forecast. Frequency change, disregard that. Cessna 081 squawk VF4, altitude your discretion below Bravo, frequency change approved. American 1262 Heavy, the left side is available, I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way. Reduce speed to 170, contact tower 119.1. American 1262 Heavy, descend to maintain 2000, turn left heading 360. Thank you very much for the early turn there, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain that below 1000 until departing Delta airspace. Good day. United 8 Heavy, New York approach. Good afternoon. Flighting 150, vector for the ILS, runway 31 right approach. Information November is current.
Okay, we'll fly a heading of 150 for 31 right. We have November and we're slowing to 250 United 8 Heavy.
American 1262 Heavy. The left side is available. I have to affect you just about 5 miles out of the way.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate.
1068. Good afternoon.
Sync rate, sync rate, sync rate. Pull up.
TWA 708 New York.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Sync rate, sync rate, sync rate. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.